Hello, Sam here, editor of Oracle Time, and today I'm here with a leading light of homegrown British watchmaking, the Garrick S2. This may be the follow-up to Garrick's open-dialed S1, but despite the similarity of name, it's an entirely different animal. In fact, it's a world apart from even the Portsmouth or their earliest watch, the Shaftesbury, which both maintained a kind of minimal elegance. Minimal the S2 is not. The dial is, put simply, magnificent, as it should be given that each takes 4 full days to make at Garrick's Norfolk workshop. Here we have a stunning swirl of guilloche on a deeply rhodium-plated dial, almost black in the right light. Because each is made to order, you can have the dial however you want it, my personal favourite being hobnailing. The classical inspirations are interrupted by an open balance spring at 6 o'clock. It's an intensely modern flourish that, while I'm not entirely on board with it myself, makes for a dramatic contrast, plain steel bridge against extravagant dial. The chapter ring, however, is by far the most impressive touch. Rather than individually applied indexes, the entire thing is a single piece of uniformly blued steel over a brush surface. To get the same deep colour across the entire thing takes no small ounce of skill, and there's a reason I haven't seen anything like this before. Garrick's nautical inspirations are still there, of course, with the anchor second hand and the oversized fluted crown. The case, meanwhile, is nice and elegant at a wearable 42mm. The movement, on the other hand, is far more interesting. The UT-G03 caliber is made almost entirely in-house, truly in-house that is, not the made for Garrick by someone else interpretation, and like the dial can be embellished as much as you'd like, ranging from plain brass to gun-worthy scrollwork. It's an exceptional movement for what is really an exceptional watch. Thanks for listening, and if you like what we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what kind of pieces you'd like us to cover next.